Welcome back. Today is a very special day. As you can see, I am outside. I am enjoying the beautiful outdoors. That reason for that is because I am celebrating Earth Day. Not only is it Earth Day, but it is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. So we thought it would be really nice to do something extra special. The only thing I am missing are my friends. Hello!
Hey guys!
What? Oh, hello! I love it. Hello, guys.
All right, that's right. At Axoschools, we've decided to devote almost an entire day outside. And because we are practicing safe social distancing, we thought it was great to enjoy each other's company from at least 6 feet away. So hey, friends.
And my arms are 6 feet long, so yeah, we know.
Yeah, because of the length of arm. Nice.
Simply being outside is one of the very easy ways to realize how amazing our Earth is.
Absolutely. So today's video will be really short, but only because we're actually encouraging all of you to spend as much time outside as you can. It is so important, especially right now. Due to the quarantine, we are finding that many people have increased their screen time substantially, including us.
That's true. Now, we all love the internet, our computers, phones, games, and we know that these things have been crucial in helping us stay productive. But this added screen time often means people are spending less time outside.
We know being outside is good for us, and we thought, what a better way to celebrate Earth Day than to take a break from our screens and be in the great outdoors.
That's right. Being in nature can improve our mood and has physical and mental health benefits. We will be linking a ton of resources below all about Earth Day and the things that you can do to enjoy the outdoors with the people that you love, or if you can't be with the people you love, with the outdoors that you love. Yes, Mandana.
And even though we're here right now on screens with you guys, we're still outside, and that doesn't mean play video games outside. It means we're just telling you guys this, but we will get off this screen when we're done with the video.
Exactly. That's why it's extra short today, huh?
Yeah.
Exactly. So we also wanted to talk a bit about our Earth and how it has been impacted over the past few months. Mandana, what do you think has been one major change when it comes to transportation ever since we started quarantine?
Well, since we aren't supposed to be going anywhere, there are a lot of fewer cars driving around and planes flying around.
That's exactly right. That means that the levels of carbon dioxide or CO2 and other air pollutants are reduced right now. It's like the Earth is taking a major breath of fresh air, and we're seeing some awesome and major environmental changes as well. We will link some articles about that below.
That's a great way of putting it. Karosh, have you heard of any other impacts this has had on our environment outside of reduced air pollutants?
Well, I have heard that we have been seeing wild animals in some not so wild places lately. Like there are some dolphins in canals, like under bridges and stuff.
That's crazy. And there's no doubt that there have been a lot of negative impacts, but what we're focusing in on today is just our Earth and how it is taking a deep, refreshing breath. It's not to say that we're ignoring the things that we know are not so great, right? So what Karosh was saying is we're seeing animals in some not so wild places. People have actually spotted foxes, deer, bears, and other wild animals within city limits. There have been stories of this around the globe. We will also be linking an article about that below so that you can do a little bit more reading and so that we can actually have a little more time enjoying the outdoors.
That's right, my friends, and that is so crazy, but also really interesting. Of course, we hope that someday soon things are going to go back to normal for us, and we can go to work, and we can go to school, and out to restaurants and grocery shopping without having to worry about anything for ourselves or others that we might impact. But I hope that we don't completely go back to normal, and instead we embrace a new normal to help our Earth. That's what we'll be talking about tomorrow.
Exactly. In fact, we are encouraging you as well at home to be thinking of ways that we can adapt to a new normal. We know that when we return to our normal, that it's not going to look exactly the same. So we want to take what we're learning about these environmental benefits and think about how we can also impact the Earth in positive ways post-quarantine. In the meantime, spend as much time as you can outside. Remember, we will be linking a ton of resources that you can do fun things outside with the people you love and with the earth that we appreciate. So, all right, I think that's all that we had for today. Do you guys have anything to add?
Yes, actually, today's video was really short, but that does not mean a bad thing. It means we want to spend more time outside.
Yeah. Karosh, what do you have to add?
Yes. I'd just like to add my favorite food is sushi. My name is Scroach, and I like anime. That's it.
Love
That's
it.
all you need to know.
Excellent. We're gonna go garden now.
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.